Liga para sa mga estudyanteng atleta ng Pilipinas. Here we go. It is Justin Mercado versus Donald Tang. Gagamitin siya ni Coach Jamaica rin ngayong araw. Samantala, Bulanadi nagpakawala ng tres. Coming off a 15-point performance sa kanilang huling laban. Samantala, JV Mocon. One player that the entire San Beda community is really expecting to have a taon na ito. Pero nandiyan naman yung rebounding niya, nandiyan yung scoring niya. JV David Romarachada, linabas kay Bulanadi. Bulanadi with a fake, Bulanadi with a shot, Bulanadi with a basket. Bola binigay dito kay Ian Valdez. Kalisaan with his new weapon, the three-point. Binigay dito kay Baichong. Baichong with a fake. Ilagan for three. RK Ilagan.
Lahat ng binubunot ni Coach Egay Macaraya sa bench talagang nagdi-deliver ngayon, ha? Nagpakiagad. Bang! Three-pointer.
Gets the ball back from Joe Presbitero. Sara umatake. Sara binigay kay Potts. Potts pulls the trigger. Bang! Nagbabalik po ang aming live at exclusive ABS-CBN Sports and Action coverage ng NCAA Lueta.
Naglaro sa San Sebastian yan at sa Arellano Chiefs. Si Jada Patuan nanonood din ngayon. At si Pong Escobar ang aming best friend.
Wow!
Birthday niyan sa Sunday.
Happy birthday.
21 lang ako dyan eh.
Actually, nahirapan ako, Marts. Believe it or not, I wanted to go home.
Speaking of California, California swag shooting from the outside. Ito, si Devon Potts.
That you're talking about Devon Potts.
Oo, nasabi ko nga sa...
Valdez, binigay dito kay Ilagan. Bounce pass para kay Bulanadi.
Ito, Allen Bulanadi. Maganda ang inilalaro, ha? Sunod-sunod na laro. Paul yan, ni Chester Serahusen.
Devon in and out. Bulanadi with a rebound. Ilagan, binigay kay Kalisan. Fiesta para kay Michael Kalisan.
Oo, dyan mo naman maaasahan itong si Michael Kalisan.
Si Michael Kalisan, naalala ko last year.
Pero yung early seals.
That was one of the reasons why he was the top scorer para sa Bastel last year. Samantala, Soberano able to knock down a triple. Pumiesta ako sa ilalim.
Oo, tsaka naalala ko yun. Ito na rin ako eh. Baka mamimuhan na ako nito eh.
Ikaw kasi, Martin
Bundle of energy din ako eh. Na dating King Heavy Bomber. Siguro na ituro niya yung...
Hindi lang mag-host, but de-demo pa ng isang trial dunk.
Ayan. Ayan, nasa bahay si Dr. Malatas. Ugalde.
Samantala, Jason David, we were just talking about him, Martin.
Ngayong
Tangqua passing it out, stolen away by Costello. Ryan Costello with the easiest basket. Gives it up to Jeric Fabian. Ilagan for three. Sumabit pa si Dan Sara. A chance for a 4-point play.
Ayan, gustong-gusto yan ni Kuya Yusuf Al-Jamal. Nanonood din.
Para for third, Dan Sara to Kyle Carlos. Roldan Sara for three.
Ito, meron pang kamay sa karang linggo. Itong si Dan Sara sa pukul na yun.
Jeric Fabian is able to get that shot to roll just in time.
Oo, mukhang
inanunsyo ng ating mga officials na pasok itong tira ni Jeric Fabian. He missed on a buzzer beater earlier. Fourth quarter, magsisimula na dito sa Fabian. Cross-court pass para kay RK Ilagan for three. Broadcast team for our second game on this Friday. And Noah has returned. And Kuno is able to score on that eye-in-the-sky play. Great pass by Jomari Presbitero.
Oo, medyo malamig-lamig ko si Arnold Noah, pero ayun.
Control of the basketball. Stolen away by Carlos. Kuno, Noah on the fast break. David hops inside, kicks it out. Bulanadi for three. Alin, Bulanadi.
Katsing! Isa na namang three-pointer. Ganda ng baseline penetration na yun. And on the left, kaya lang pang limang foul na pala ni Jason David yun. It's down. Of that pass. Yan, sa ilalim yung roamer. Tamo naman.
Nuno, Noah.
Malaray Roseros eh. Titignan lang nila yung roamer sa ilalim, Anton. At dahil napakalalakas ng katawan nitong San Beda Girls eh. Ikaw nakatag eh.
Samantala, Bulanadi is able to score on the break.
Ito, Allen Bulanadi has been playing really well.
Para kay RK, swings it to Capobres for three.
Yun, ang ganda ng swing pass na yun. From RK Ilagan, down to 11 points. Swinging from one side to another. Nakakahanap sila ng mga stride. Has won again. They are going to their 8th win in as many outings, Anton.
A season 87, that's 2011, they went 8-0 to start the season. Of San Beda College, defeat Coach Egay Macaraya Stags from San Sebastian, 87 to 77.
To watch the latest game highlights, subscribe to ABS-CBN Sports in Action YouTube channel.